Good morning, children. So today we are going to start a new chapter from science class 3, okay? New chapter, that is the human body, chapter 2, okay? And this is part 1. So in the earlier class we had learnt about living and non-living things, right? And we had done question answers exercise work also there. Some question answers are left, so I will be posting in the WhatsApp, okay? There are few questions left. That is difference between I had discussed the answer with you, but I haven't given the questions to you, isn't it? So today we will be starting the chapter, the new chapter, that is the human body. Now, what do you mean by human body? Our body is made up of different organs, parts, isn't it? Our body is made up of different parts or different organs, and all the organs are very, very important, right? And not only that, we are going to study about what are internal organs, what are external organs also, right? So let's start. Our body is made up of different organs, isn't it? And all organs are equally important, right? And it plays a very important role, yes? So, and each and every organ has their own role to play, own role to do, isn't it? Now, let's see. It's like a story base. Let's see. Once all the parts of our body started fighting with each other. Like how they were fighting. Each one was trying to prove that they are the best, they are the most important organ, right? And say like hands, show me your hands, this is our hands, isn't it? So hand is also one of an organ, part of our body, isn't it? So hand says, if I do not put food into the mouth. So how do you put food into your mouth? We put with the help of hand, isn't it? We use the hand to put our food into our mouth. So hand says, if I do not put food in our mouth, then everyone will remain hungry. Yes? Yes or no? So hand says is the saying of a hand, right? And the other organ, that is stomach. Stomach says, if I do not digest the food, what will happen then? If I do not digest the food, then it is difficult to survive, isn't it? These are the stomach says. And on the other hand, heart. Heart says, what is the work of your heart now? What is the work of your heart? Can you tell me? The heart pumps the blood and it supplies to different parts of the body, isn't it? Yes. So heart pumps the blood and supplies to different parts of the body, and so our body functions, isn't it? So heart says, if I do not pump the blood, what will happen? Yes. So heart, the saying of your heart is, heart says, if I do not pump the blood, then what will happen? Now, lungs says, on the other hand, we have lungs also. Lungs is also another part of our body. So lungs says, if I am the most important organ of our body, of the human body, and if I do not breathe, what is the work of a lungs? Lungs help us to breathe. Yes, we breathe with the help of lungs. So the lung says, if I do not breathe, what will happen? So they are saying, each one of them are saying, each part of our organ are saying their own, isn't it? That they are equally, they are very, very important. Yes, but what do you say? What is your opinion? What do you say? Whether the heart is the most important part, whether the lungs is only the most important part, what is that? So what do you say? And the brain was listening. So the brain was listening to all the organs very carefully, very silently, without saying anything. And finally, it said, the brain said, Look, we should not fight with each other. In fact, we all are equally important. Yes, and we cannot work properly without each other's support. We need a support of each other organ. Each and every organs are very, very important. Yes. So, we need the support of each and every organ. Suppose if you have hands, we do not have heart, then what will happen? The human body will function? No, it is not possible. Yes. So, if we have lungs, we do not have heart, what will happen? Can you survive? We cannot, isn't it? So, all the organs are equally important. It says, the brain says that all the parts of our body are equally important. So, what we had learned from this chapter, what we had learned from this paragraph, we had learned that all the parts of our organs are equally very, very important. Yes. So, then only if it works, they have their own work to do, hands have their own work to do, and the heart has their own work to do, as well as the lungs and all that, kidney, all that part of body parts of our body are very, very equally important, very important, right? So, if a single organ fails to support, what will happen? It is, the life is not possible. We will suffer, the life is not possible. So, this is what it is said in this paragraph. So, say for example, if our heart fails to work, that I have told you, yes, it is not possible. If there is no heart in our body, life is not possible, we cannot survive. Yes, if there is no lungs, we cannot breathe properly, isn't it? We need lungs to breathe properly. Yes, then only we can survive. So, these are the things which you had learnt. So, it is clear that all the body parts are very, very important. They are equally important, right? So, see the book. Now, you can come to page number 19, 18. I am sorry, here in your new book it is 18, in the old book it is 19, okay. So, you can see here, see I will show you the pictures of a heart, pictures of a hand. Yeah, these are the pictures of a hand. See this one, picture of a hand and the heart, lungs, brain, isn't it? So, these are the pictures which is shown very clearly in your book. Yes. So, if possible, what you can do is, you can just draw these diagrams in your copy, in your exercise book neatly, okay. And before you start your work, what you will do? You will write the heading on the top, date and classwork, which I had already told you, but still I am telling you the same thing. So, write your classwork in your new page, okay. Do not continue in the same page. This is the new chapter, so you write in your new page, okay. So, write in this part, this side you write classwork, you write the heading here, okay. Write the heading here, the human body, yes. Draw a line and then you write the date here, okay, like 12/3/21. Write the date here, draw a line and then you will start your work. And then in the blank page, you will be using a lap copy for this. Those who don't have, buy a lap copy, and in the blank page, in the plain page, you will draw these diagrams, okay, and you write the things also, whether it is heart, hands, lungs, or whatever it is, whatever you have drawn. Understood? So, this is your homework, today's homework, and let me give you some difficult words from here, okay. Let's just open page number 18, and from there you underline the word which I am telling you, okay. Now, underline organs, 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 human body, HUMAN BODY, human body. Underline that word and underline hand, H-A-N-D, hand, mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth, underline, are you underlining? Stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C, stomach, and underline, digest, D-I-G-E-S-T, digest, and underline heart, H-E-A-R-T, heart, then underline oxygen, O-X-Y-G-E-N, oxygen, nutrients, N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T-S, nutrients, okay, and lungs, L-U-N-G-S, lungs, and breathing, B-R-E-A-T-H-I-N-G, breathing, and the next word, brain, B-R-A-I-N, brain, silently, S-I-L-E-N-T-L-Y, silently, and human body, I think you have done that, isn't it? Now support, S-U-P-P-O-R-T, support. So these are the words which you had learnt today. So underline these words in your book and then you will learn the word for spelling test. Okay, read the paragraph. This is your homework. Please read the paragraph. I had explained the paragraph from page number 18. So read the paragraph and the drawings are also there. You draw this in your copy neatly and label the diagram. Means write the names of that of the organs. Okay, that's all for today. So we'll continue in the next class again. That's all.